Hi there, it's Mark and Jules here from the Future Toolbox, and we just wanted to say a massive thank you to all you Year 11 students from Priory Ruskin Academy who took part in our workshops today. You were absolutely amazing, and we just wanted to thank you very, very much. And just a quick recap of the things that we taught you.
Yeah, absolutely. So we saw how great our memory is by using the Mindmap. We also looked at how to create a Roman room system, and then we used the mnemonic in plan, do, review. So guys, it's over to you. Make sure you go to our website and check out the resources on there, and also follow us on our YouTube channel as well for plenty more tips. Let's finish off by saying Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a great New Year.
See you in the new year.
And good luck everybody.
Good luck.